Hi, this is Roger with All Wet, and I'm about to start my adventure to go pick up our new install truck for the season. This is our new install truck. Just picked it up from Georgia. Got a 13.5-hour drive back to Jersey. $225 miles in, still another 10 hours to go. Simply great coffee. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Here we go. Day 2 back to Jersey, leaving Virginia. The road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again.
First of all, plus on these bitch made niggas sit up on West Side. Ain't nobody let me.
It's about 3 hours to go until I get back home to Jersey. Driven about 550 miles so far. Going smooth.
Around here, we always stand up straight. Uptown girl, she's been living.
And I made it back home to All Wet Irrigation headquarters.